Hey guys, welcome to my channel Codestone Tech. So we are going to discuss about the Magento cron jobs today. How we will create the cron jobs. Actually, what cron jobs are? These are the scripts which are run at a prescribed time. Okay. So let's say we can run these at a particular like every day, every minute, at a particular given time also. So okay, so let's create what will be the path. It will be the our extension is Codestone basic. So this will be the etc folder where we will create first cron tab.xml. Here we will create we will describe our file, our method, our job name, and we will describe the schedule, in which schedule we are going to run the cron. Okay, so in the etc folder we are going to create cron tab.xml. I have created it in my document, so I have pasted it here. Okay, this is the group. We can create another group, or we can use the default group. My cron, I have given my job name. Instance is Codestone basic cron. So cron will be the folder, and this cron.php will be the file I will use, and here is the execute method. Okay, let's save it. Schedule, we can schedule to the different times, like if I want to schedule once in a week, I will go for like 0, 0, and it will be the 0, like Sunday at 12 am. So for now we are going to schedule it for every minute. This is for every minute. Okay, so let's create our cron file. We are going to create a new folder which name is cron, and here we will create a new file cron.php. We are going to use namespace Codestone basic cron. Our class name is cron, and here we will create a public function execute. Okay, what I will do, I will just create a new log here which I have already. Okay, I will create a new log. Let's rename it to test cron.log. Okay, let's check. Here is any there is no any log name like this. Okay, here we can see in the log folder there are only 3 files. We can try to run this by controller. We can test our cron using the controller. We will use the object manager only for testing, not for particular use. We will create the object manager. Let me check the object manager. This is our object manager, and I will run the cron here using object manager. Create that particular file. This will create our object. Okay, so this will be the object, and execute method we are going to execute, setting the die here. So this is our URL, basic index for this class. Let me test it. Basic. Okay, this runs. Let me check if the log file has created or not. Let's check. Okay, this is the testcron.php. This file runs. Okay, so this is how we can create the Magento crons. Okay, if you guys need any support or confusion you guys have, you can comment me. and I will help you guys. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.